Shine a torch at a mirror, it bounces back. Shine it at glass, it passes through. Shine it at a wooden wall, it does neither. It just stops. Same light, same torch, three completely different reactions. What makes light bounce, pass, or stop? The material decides. Reflection happens when light strikes a smooth surface and bounces back. The angle it comes in is the exact same angle it goes out. Angle of incidence equals angle of reflection. This is why mirrors work. Why the moon glows in the night. The moon has no light of its own, it reflects sunlight toward us. Transmission happens when light passes through a material. Transparent materials let all light through, clear glass, water. Translucent materials let some light through, but scatter it, frosted glass, butter paper. Opaque materials let no light through, walls, metal, wood. Every material falls somewhere on this scale, from fully open to fully blocked. Reflection and transmission together explain almost everything about light. Why you see yourself in a mirror, reflection. Why you can see through a window, transmission. Why you cannot see through a wall, opacity. Why the sky is blue. Why rainbows form. Why gemstones sparkle. It all comes back to how materials handle light. Light is simple. It's the materials that make things interesting. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 91360244000. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.